Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to yet another spring outfit idea video. In today's video I'm going to show you a couple of very nice spring outfit ideas. You know what I'm going to say here. Yes, I'm doing this video in collaboration with NAKD. As you probably already know by now, if you have been following me for some time, then you know that NAKD is my go-to store for, well, I would say probably the biggest part of my closet. So to start with, I'm gonna show you my new pieces, and then in the video you will see me style these items. And of course, yes, I have a discount code. You will see all the info about that down in the info box. But let's get started with the item. I have updated my closet with some very nice spring items, and these are items that work very well in my closet because they are pretty simple. They are more basics, so these will work for just any occasion. First of all, we have this super simple basic tube top, but I'm obsessed with tube tops. I have one in black as well. I just felt like white is gonna be so clean and nice for spring and summer, so of course I had to get myself one. I can't even believe that I didn't have one already. For me, I can't live without clean white sneakers. Now I do have white sneakers, but now it's just time to realize that it's time to say goodbye, because they are so uncomfortable. You know, when you have been wearing sneakers for way too long, and it's just, they're uncomfortable and they're just not white anymore. Well, now I have updated mine. I like more chunky versions, more a little bit cool, so these are just perfect, and I can't wait for this snow to melt away so I can start wearing them on clean streets. As I said, I was very into basics this time, even though this is a little bit special. I just love a off-shoulder top. Of course, I did go for black because this will work with anything, and I just think this is so cute, super feminine, and you will see how I style it later on, because I'm not gonna style it so feminine, but as you will see, this will work in so many different ways. It's the perfect basic. Then, even though it is still snowy outside, I wanted to update my swimsuit closet a little bit, just because I saw this bikini and it was something that I have been dreaming of. I have been thinking about getting myself a brown bikini with high waist, and yeah, I just love how flattering this bikini is to your body. Yeah, I'm obsessed, so yeah, I will show you later what it looks like on as well, but I really recommend it because it really did have a perfect fit. Then, as I said, it's still snowy here, but I couldn't resist and update my, well, more maybe summer closet, depending on where you live. For me, summer, definitely, but this linen dress is just something that I can see myself wear a lot this summer. And I said this is a spring video, and this might not be a spring item, but I couldn't resist this item. I mean, look at this beauty. Yeah, I love it. I love it so much, and I had been thinking about getting myself a puffer jacket in fall with this leathery kind of vibe, but I didn't, and I have been regretting myself. So now when I saw this one, I was like, okay, this is a sign, I need it. I will wear it because here in Finland I can probably still wear this for a month, and I will definitely take it back into my closet when fall comes and continue wearing it then. Okay, let's get started with the outfits. As always, when I do these videos, some of the outfits are perfect for a Scandinavian spring. Some of them are maybe a little bit more that I have a dream about wearing this, but it won't be possible until summer. But either way, I know you are in different places of the world. For this first look, I just had to style these linen pants with my new white tube top. This is what I had in mind when I was thinking about spring summer outfits. Then the first idea I had was linen pants with a white tube top. So classy, so relaxed, but still, you know, a little bit dressed up. And I think you could style this in so many different ways. You could also wear this with heels. I decided here to go for the sneakers since I wanted to show you those in many different stylings. I do think this is the perfect spring summer outfit idea, and you will see me wear this a lot when it gets a little bit warmer. It's -degrees here and very snowy still, so this is definitely not a dress or outfit that I will just go out with right now. But a girl can dream, and this is definitely the dress for spring summer. I wanted to keep this outfit very simple, so I have styled it with these very simple, clean, white platform heels, and also this just simple white bag to top it off. For me, with this dress, I definitely prefer to go very, very minimalistic. Here you can see the bikini and what it looks like on, and I hope you can see the fit. I really like this one, and for me this is the kind of model that I feel super comfortable in. So I definitely recommend, if you feel like maybe bikini is not your thing, maybe this kind of model would be. So yeah. And not only will I be wearing this as a bikini, I will also wear the top as a top. Imagine this also with the linen pants, for example, and with a white linen shirt just open over the top. Well, now I want summer, okay? This following outfit is definitely a new kind of fit for me. This outfit is very late 90s, early 2000s style, when this was a trend. So for me now, it is a little bit that trends are coming back, and it's a little bit weird, I have to admit, but at the same time I love it, because of course I think that how we dress and how we style the trends today is so much better than back then. Yeah, I love it. So anyways, here we have a brown suit vest styled with a short black skirt. We have the knee boots, and we have a white linen trench coat. And as you can see, the buttons on the linen trench coat are also brown, which make the whole outfit very balanced, since we have the brown in the vest, in the buttons, in the shoes, and also in the bag. And this is what gives the whole outfit very much harmony. I do get a lot of questions on how you can style leggings or tights, and with this outfit I wanted to show you something to that type. These are, I don't know if you should call them pants or tights, but they are definitely more tights than they are pants. Anyways, I love them. They are striped, white and black striped, and they have this opening on the side down on your wrist, which makes it so much more interesting when you have the shoes on together with the pants. And I wanted to keep this very casual, but we also have the leather blazer, just adding that something extra for the outfit. And now to the outfit that I'm currently wearing. So we have this vest, not vest, but turtleneck without any sleeves. I think this is also very much 90s vibing. I think it's super nice, and you can style it in just so many different ways. Here I have combined it with something that I'm very obsessed with right now. It's just my blue jeans. This color and the style, I just love them, and I think they go with so many different outfits in my closet. And you know, I have an obsession with leather at the moment. It's like on blazers, on trench coats, on jackets, it's everywhere, but I love it, okay? So that's what I'm wearing right now. I love this outfit, and here I chose pointy toes vintage shoes to make this look even more vintage vibing 90s. And I just love a black outfit with blue denim jeans. It's just a combination that I can die for. Last but not least, I think this is actually my favorite outfit from all of these. I love them all, but maybe this is my favorite, depending on where I'm going to wear this outfit, of course, because this outfit is very casual and very cool. I don't know, but there's something with this outfit. I just need to show you some pictures we took also after I shot this outfit video, because I'm just so obsessed with this outfit. It's so new to me somehow. I feel like this is my style 2.0, because we have low-rise jeans to start with, like what? We have this jacket, the puffer jacket, we have the very cute little crop top with the off-shoulder detail. I don't know, there's just something with this outfit that I love it so much. Let me know what you think. Are you into the fact that low-rise jeans are coming back, or are you more into high waist? Know what you think. Are you going to start wearing low-rise jeans again now as they are getting more trendy, or are you just gonna continue with high-rise jeans? I am definitely gonna do both. I prefer high waist, absolutely, but sometimes I do feel like it's very nice with low-rise as well. My secret there is to go up one size. Don't take your own size when it's low rise. Go up one size and go for something a little bit more loose as they are here. Then it won't feel that crowded as those back in the days used to be. And it's actually very comfortable. So yeah, I'm team low rise. Woo! Surprisingly. No, but I'm just gonna use both whenever I feel like one of them is a better fit. But yeah, I want to know, what do you think? That was the last outfit. Remember to use my discount code NAKD if you want to update your spring closet. And remember to like, subscribe and everything. Okay, thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.